Filing machines are an essential part of welding, especially in precision work, metal finishing, and shaping tasks. In this video we will be discussing on how to choose the right filing machine for welding. First on the list is power and speed. When selecting a filing machine for welding, one of the primary considerations is power and speed. Machines with higher wattage and RPM, revolutions per minute, will provide faster material removal, making them ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Secondly, portability. For welders who often work on-site or in remote locations, portability is crucial. Cordless filing machines or lightweight models are ideal for these situations. Ensure that the machine is easy to transport and can operate without needing constant access to power. Thirdly, durability and build quality. Welding environments can be tough, so the filing machine you choose should be built to withstand heavy use and exposure to heat, dust, and debris. Look for machines with durable casings, dust-sealed switches, and high-quality internal components to ensure longevity. With the help of this video, you now understand how to choose the right filing machine for welding. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on how to choose the right filing machine for welding, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.